Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 21, Problem Set. So we are going to divide, then check using multiplication. The first one is done for you. So using a larger divisor into a 2-digit divisor into a 3-digit dividend. And yes, that is our objective for today. So you're going to go through and do the actual division and then come up back over here and use our skill of multiplying and adding to see if our number comes back and ends up correct, right? All right, so that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those to practice. On the back side, you are going to generate and solve at least one more division problem with the same quotient and remainder as the one below. Oh my gosh, this problem is on the test. Just so you know, a problem like this is on the test. So you have to take, now, what I want you to think about is, what did you learn about rounding? Okay, I want you to think of the idea of rounding when trying to think of another problem that has a quotient of 8. So you need to come up with a dividend and a divisor where your answer or the quotient is equal to 8. So I want you to think about your rounding skills. Think about what you know about rounding will get you there the easiest and quickest. Don't you think? So you could round 58 to, I don't know. And this is a kind of a trial and error type problem. So this means you're going to try it. And if it doesn't work, change it and keep playing with the numbers until you get 8. Okay? You know that you can divide and your answer will give you 8. So this problem will be on the final test. A problem just like it. All right, then assume that Mrs. Jiang's car travels 14 miles on each gallon of gas. If she travels to visit her niece who lives 133 miles away, how many gallons of gas will Mrs. Yang need to make the round trip? So yes, that's a division problem. Then Louis brings 79 pencils to school. After he gives each of his 15 classmates, an equal number of pencils, he will give any leftover pencils to his teacher. How many pencils will Lois's teacher receive? Very CGI. Draw it out, solve. Then it takes it to the next. If Louis decides instead to take an equal share of pencils along with his classmates, will his teacher receive more or fewer pencils? So that you need to actually explain with words. So Lois's teacher will receive so many pencils, right? All right.